July, it was pretty slow, right? But then you kind of see right here this little dip around October, and this is where the announcement of the metaverse actually came up. And look at how it skyrocketed here, and it's actually been up. It goes down and up, and it has their waves. But I'm going to show you how you can start making money right now. So if you're watching this video early on, you are interested on what the metaverse is, how it works, what's going to happen in the future, right? Recently, Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, all these huge companies actually just announced that they're going to be investing and creating what is called a metaverse. This is going to be where there's going to be a digital world where we, as the users, as the content, will be able to enter this world and basically do whatever we want, right? Go wherever we want. Just different stuff that we weren't able to do before it, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually jump on this trend early on and actually make money doing so. All right, guys? So if you guys are new to my channel here, appreciate you guys that are just coming in. My name is David G, and what I do is I talk about how to make money online, right? Different ways by affiliate marketing, different ways on creating different content, so forth. All right, today we're going to be talking about metaverse, right? Metaverse, how to make money with this. Okay, so if you guys are watching this video early on, that's really good news, because you're going to be able to jump on this trend and start making money. All right, guys, so what is a metaverse? Metaverse is basically, as I was saying earlier, it's going to be this digital world where we're going to be able to put on these goggles, enter this universe, and go anywhere we want, do whatever we want, right? Interact with different people, whatever it is, okay? So the metaverse, the first thing that we want to do is we want to actually gather information on what the metaverse is, how it works, where it's going to be, right? We want to know about the newest trends, because for one, not a lot of people know what the metaverse is. Not a lot of people understand it. So people are Googling it. People are trying to find information, find answers. And that's where you come in, all right? The first place that I want you to go to is going to be Google Trends, okay? Google Trends is going to be where it's going to metaverse. I'm going to type in metaverse here. Google Trends is going to be the place where Google's going to tell you, hey, this is how many people are searching for this type of topic. For example, metaverse, these are the type of people that are interested. These are the type of people or the population on what they want to know about it, okay? So you see here that the metaverse was pretty slow, right? Nothing really crazy from July, January, but then all of a sudden around October, it just skyrocketed. That's when Mark Zuckerberg actually announced that they're going to be investing in creating what is called now the metaverse, okay? A lot of people got interested. A lot of people are wondering, are curious, and that's what sparked everything, okay? And you kind of see now it kind of slowed down, but it's still the top of the high, and it will get more crazier as we go through it, okay? So Google Trends is going to be the first place that you want to actually jump into, okay, to see what is hot, what is not. So we're going to go to Google Alerts, okay? Google Alerts, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this first link, and what is this? What am I trying to do, okay? Stick with me so you can actually see and understand what we're going to do, okay? It's going to make sense all at the back, at the end. Okay, so we're going to go into create alert, okay? So before we go and create alert, what we're going to do is we're going to tell Google, hey, I'm going to give you my email address, and I want you to alert me every time there's going to be new trends, every time there's going to be some new information, so I can be on top of all this info and create or start making money, okay? So before you hit create alert, I want you to actually come and show options. I want you to say either if you want to know how it happens, the most in one a day, in a week, whatever, obviously in your English, in your language, whatever language you're in, how many times, and then you're going to actually put in your email address, okay? After that, you're going to create an alert. Once you create an alert, it's going to be sending you information, okay? Either daily, weekly, whatever the case is, and you're going to actually be on top of all this information, okay? That's going to be step one. Go to Google Alerts, create this alert, put in your info, and they're going to be sending your info to your email address, all right? Number two, and this is just gathering information, okay? Like I said, stick with me to the end. It's going to make sense after all this. The second place that you want to go to is going to be Answer the Public. If you guys have not seen Answer the Public, what it is, It is a website here where you can actually ask questions. For example, I'm going to put in the Metaverse. And what's going to happen is it's going to give you what customers, what people are asking, right? They're asking questions about whatever you typed in. For example, I typed in the Metaverse. So you see here that these are all questions customers, people are trying to search for. What is a Metaverse? Can you ash Metaverse? Can you buy Metaverse stocks? Can Metaverse make money? Okay. What Metaverse to invest in? So this is all type of questions customers, people are asking. And you, since now that you're actually getting the alerts, now that you're getting the information, can answer these questions, okay? Remember, you're going to want to create content. You're going to want to actually be in the in crowd so you know what to answer when these customers, when these people are asking questions, okay? Tons of questions here. You kind of see that people are asking Metaverse, who owns, who coined Metaverse? Will Metaverse succeed? Will Metaverse use crypto, okay? So these are a bunch of questions that we can answer, okay? This is gonna be step number 2. Number 1, alerts, okay? You wanna grab information, you wanna get alerts from what Google was getting. Number 2 is gonna be answer the public. Number 3, we're gonna go over to Ubersuggest. Again, stick with me to the end, you're gonna see this. Ubersuggest, and you're going to type in again Metaverse, okay? This is going to be another website where it's going to help you and show you what people are trying to look up, what they're going to search, what they want to know about this, whatever you're typing, okay? You kind of see down here, watch Metaverse stock. Looks like it's actually a big one, okay? Metaverse companies, crypto coins, okay? Real estate, stock prices. There's a bunch of information here that you see. So with these 3 websites that you see, you're gonna grab the information. That's gonna be step number, I guess number 3, or step number 1, but these 3 websites, okay? What you wanna do is you wanna grab all this information, okay? Now, but how do you make money, okay? So now that we have the information, now that we know how or what the Metaverse is, people are asking these questions where we know how to answer them. How are we gonna start making money with this, okay? So the way you're gonna be making money is you're going to be, first of all, if you guys haven't subscribed and you guys are liking this information and you're liking this video, go ahead and just subscribe, hit that like button down here on the bottom. It really appreciate, it's gonna really help this channel grow and also get it out to a lot more people, all right guys? So now that I've actually, now that you actually hit that button, you subscribed, and now that I've given you the information, now I'm gonna show you how you can start making money with the information with Metaverse. You're gonna come over and start creating content, okay? Create a YouTube channel, okay? If you really look at it right now, if you go and search out, there's really not a lot of channels, YouTube channels, for example, that revolve around the Metaverse. This is one that I found, and look it, they have about 4,000, almost 5,000 subscribers on this channel. And check it out, they only started about a month ago. That is insane, okay? People are searching for this type of information, and if you get in the trend, if you actually start this right now, create a basic YouTube channel and just talk and explain about the Metaverse, what it is, just like I was showing you, people are asking questions. Crypto and Metaverse, real estate, how to start it, what kind of companies to invest in, what exactly is Metaverse, right? You have the information right here. All you have to do is really just create a YouTube channel, and people are gonna go and search it. And since you're gonna be actually one of the first channels, one of the first Metaverse channels out there right now in 2022, you are gonna make a killing, because for one, you're gonna grab subscribers. You're gonna be starting to get paid through your AdSense, okay? Because you're gonna grow huge, okay? If I was gonna start over again, this is exactly how I would start. I would create a Metaverse channel, because this is where the money's at. People who are the smartest really aren't the ones that make the money. It's the ones that get in the trend in the beginning, before, right? Just like Bitcoin. If you would have bought Bitcoin when it was 0.00001 and you bought $100, you would have been a millionaire by now, right? It's the people that get in the beginning, all right? So that is how you're gonna be making money. You grab all this information from Google Alerts, Ubersuggest, you're gonna go from Ask the Public, different websites, okay? Create channels now. If you don't wanna show your face, totally fine. Okay, I have a couple of other YouTube channels on showing you how you can create YouTube channels without even showing your face, making cartoon characters, making different animations. Okay, I'll put an actual video up here on the top and also down in the bottom here so you can actually check it out how to do it. But that is how we are going to be making money in 2022. All right, if you want to see how I make money, if you want to see how I make $1,000 a day, click on that first link down in the bottom. It's going to show you and show you and teach you how to start making $1,000 a day online. All right, guys. So that is it for today on this Metaverse channel, on this Metaverse information. Mind blown if you actually do it. You have the information from this video right here. Now I need you to go and apply it. Okay, I need you to go do it, and you're gonna see from 1 month from today, 2, 3, 6 months, 1 year from today, if you listen to me, you're gonna make a killing. All right, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on that next video.